Good morning. Good morning. I edited a video last night about the birthday of our team leader. It was his birthday yesterday, but since he was not in Cebu, we delayed it to today, the surprise. So I finished the video about 2 a.m. I uploaded it at my other channel. We're trying to top the video we made last year. It was an okay video. It was rushed, but it was okay. But this time, we had it planned out. I'm going now to the surprise, still at the same place. I even recorded myself with a much longer version of my message on the finished video. The finished video only consisted of about 15 seconds or 20-second clip of the entire message that I had prepared. It's December 2. It's already 11 in the evening. I'm currently editing the birthday video for Boss Mark. So this will be uploaded tomorrow. This video, oh no, he will see this tomorrow. We will surprise him again, same place. If you watch this video, I'm only gonna say one thing. It's a quote from John Maxwell. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. And whenever I read that quote, it reminds me of you. You're one of the best managers or leaders I have ever had. And continue being you. Continue doing you, man. You're a great person. You've done well for yourself. You've been great with your teammates. You've been great with us. You've been supportive of us. And you've never let us down. You've continually showed us how we should do things. You're the type of leader who does, not just talk. You're the type of leader who walks the talk. And it keeps the fire burning in us, watching you do your work. And I wish you all the best. You're such a great person. And like what the other said, kano sa man masundan si Makmak. Happy birthday. I hope you cry in the surprise that we'll be doing now. We are meeting in Robinson's Galleria and then walk across Kana Coffee Shop. By the way, I feel something different in my throat. Since yesterday or the other day, something is bugging my throat. It feels rough. My voice is kinda low. I think this is maybe because I sleep very late. The past 2 weeks, I've been sleeping around 1 a.m., 2 a.m. I don't know why. Or, the internet is disturbing my sleeping pattern. I've been scrolling non-stop. I don't know why. I'm gonna get a massage later when I get home. Boss Mark is already at Kana with Rika, and Rika has been stalling for about 30 minutes already, asking where are the rest of us. Well, the rest of us are still going to Galleria. We're all late. The surprise is, oh no. So what we did, I told them that I'm still in Lapu-Lapu, in the Lapu-Lapu bridge, and it's holding me for about 15 minutes and asking if there's an accident that happened somewhere in Mandaue or at the bridge. So everyone is stalling. Why Rika is already there? Because she initially said yesterday or last Saturday that she has invites that needed a new agent's orientation today by Boss Mark. She said she had 8 invites, and then what we did in support of those 8 invites who aren't there yet, we told Rika that the invites are from Lapu-Lapu, from Minglanilla, from heavy traffic areas. So when we said that, I immediately messaged our business group, chat group, that I'm still in Lapu-Lapu. I've been held up here for about 15 minutes, but in reality, we are not. Some are already in Galleria, some are going to Galleria, like me. And hopefully Boss Mark will be convinced that it is indeed traffic in these locations. I'm almost there though. I'm already passing by SM. Woo! Exciting! Galleria! We're about to surprise Boss Mark. He's already there. We have to wait. He's not yet done. They might be crying.
Thank you for all your birthday wishes. I'm so blessed. Actually, I'm speechless. I'm very happy to all of you. I'm happy. I'm part of this team. Very thankful na grabe ang support ninyo sa team. And I wish all the best para sa tuwa next year. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you all.
The surprise was a huge success! Yay!